As we assume a comfortable seated posture, preferably the lotus pose Padmasana, we gently scale our spine upright, roll the shoulders back, bring the back of the head in line with the spine, gently close our eyes, and bring our hands in a namaste at the chest center. And then with a big inhalation, lift the hands up, overlapping the thumbs. We do an Om chant exhaling now. And now we do 3 up-down movements. Inhaling, we take the hands up. Exhaling, we do an Om chant and come back in a Namaste. 3 rounds together. On finishing the 3rd round, we interlock our fingers, bring the hands at the head behind us, and we do Kapalbhati combinations of twists and lateral bends. This is how it goes. Active exhalations only as we pull the abdomen in and do Kapalabhati twists to one side, the other. Exhale. Discontinue the practice. Discontinue and then with your palms on your knees in Padmasana itself or any other seated posture, start with Kapalabhati, 51 forceful ones, pulling the abdomen in. Today we are targeting weight loss, okay? But therapeutically. So make sure you keep your breath resonated and the pace right. Discontinue after 50 Kapalbhati. And straighten your legs in front of you. Flat the knees. Now bend the right knee. Inhaling, lift the left hand up. Twist completely and twist completely. Fingertips pointing the ceiling. Come back, don't hold too long. Again, twist. Therapeutically doing Marichi Asana. Now, pick up speed, medium pace. Don't give up now. Discontinue the practice. Discontinue. And bend the knees hard, only for a moment. Now, inhaling, lift the left hand up again. Twist completely to the right. Do a namaste after folding your elbow. Twist well, making sure your namaste comes to the chest center. And return. Rest for a moment. Change sides. Exhale. Get a good tuck with your knee at the elbow and do a namaste. Knees are together. Twist so much that your JJ Bhagwan comes right at the sternum. See how centered it is. You'll feel this in the abs, right there within the gut. Return, again rest. Now, again repeat the same namaste with bent knees. And as you twist well and come to the JJ, bend and straighten your other leg. One knee is giving a teka to the elbow, and the other leg is bending and straightening. Just 7 sets. Twist well. And the other leg now. Come back, change sides. Do a good Janu Naman here. This is a weight loss one for a well-sculpted body. And return. Rest it down. Come into a Sukhasana now. Palms down on the mat. Lift your hips. And come into downward dog. Stay in downward dog. Adho Svanasana. And do runner's lunge and simultaneously Kapalbhati. Discontinue the practice. Bend your knee and come into a Sukhasana. Jump and come into a Sukhasana. As soon as you're in Sukhasana, go down on your forearms behind you to do a Path Sanchalan. So you come into a Pavan Muktasana and you cycle. Chest is high. Continue cycling. Blowing out all the extra air that has been making us like gas cylinders. Remove the interlock fingers from the shins and interlock them under the head. Keep the knees there itself in a Pavan Muktasana fold. Inhale fully. Exhaling, lift your head. Untwist, get the elbow to the knee. Now, do a 1-1 leg Pavana Muktasana out there as if you're doing stomach crunches. Continue, don't take a break here. About 40 degrees should be good. Make sure your knee touches your elbow every time you fold. Discontinue, don't go down, don't take a break. Twist to the other side. Last one. Come back, hug the knees again. Remove the hug knees, hands up at shoulder level. Drop the knees from side to side. Parsha Pavan Muktasana. Don't separate the thighs. Only 5 sets. This is all about a well-sculpted body. Working on the waist. Make sure the head is in the opposite direction. And then holding your ankles with your palms. Let the feet go down on the mat. Now, inhaling, lift the hips higher and do the Charana Athana. Hips to the right, center, left, up, left, center, right, up. Charana, Athana, Varana, Rupaya, Charana, Athana, Varana, Rupaya. Do it properly, continue. If there was a crayon in your anus, you should be drawing round circles or at least a diamond shape. Distinct ones. Just 2 more sets left. Excellent. Discontinue the practice. Bring a Sukhasana up in the air now. Come up. With palms down on the mat in front of you. Extend your legs one by one behind. So you're in a plank pose. Santulanasana. Making sure your head is lifted. You feel this in the abdomen, in the entire abs. Provided you are in a clear Santulan Asana, plank pose. Knees down. Keeping elbows in, chest down, abdomen down, hands alongside the body, lift the legs and walk. This one's for your hips, your sides. Discontinue, rest, Advasana, and return. Hands alongside the body. A second set. Part Chalan, a variation of Shalabhasana. You want to go higher, you can even do interlock fingers. And discontinue. Advasana again. With palms along on either side of the shoulders, we come up and we sit. We sit with our right leg in Sukhasana, our left leg in Virasana. Do not take a break. It's a therapeutic weight loss program. We immediately go down, touching 8 chutki sindoor to the floor, and we do Jharu Katta. Palms down, twist, walk, lunge, 2, 3, 4, 5, duck well, and 7. Come back doing Jharu Katta. Palms closer to you. Inhale, exhale. Come into a Sukhasana. Change legs. Inhale up, exhale down. Walk in. Walk, 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 and duck. Pull, twisted, and down and up. 7. And don't come back straight away. Do the Jharu Katta and come back. That's the 8 chutki sindoor. Inhale in up. Exhaling down. And straighten the legs in front of you. Lift the knees. A quick round of Pavanamustasana series 1 now. Blend it with Kapalbhati since it's a weight loss class. Yeah. Padanguli Naman. Chetu Naman. Chetu Chakra, ankle rotation. Reverse it. Janu Naman. We need not do much of this because we've done a lot of asanas in the beginning when we did. We did a lot of asanas in Marichi asana, twist and all. So this we need not do much. Other leg. Dvipa Janu Chakra. Reverse it. Sukhasana up in the air. Come back. Come into a kneeling position. And extend. Stay on the left edge of your mat. Extend your right leg out. Go down. Simultaneously, run your hand up your lovely waist. And go down in a Parikasana. Twist well. This too for a well sculpted body. Return and change. Going to the other edge of your mat, extending the leg, holding the ankle, coming up your resting face, lying down, put the foot down, return, twist, look up at the ceiling. Feel a big twist as if there is weight loss happening even in the inner thigh. Inhale, come back. Come back and come into kneeling. Kneel, hands under the hips. A therapeutic weight loss Ushtrasana to lose weight even on the neck, all those wrinkles, curving the spine, opening up in the front. Very therapeutic Ushtrasana, the camel stretch. And return for the second posture of Surya Namaskar, of Tibetan hands. Lie down. Legs go up to 90. Hands go up, head goes up. Keep moving. Second one of the Tibetans. Seven should be good. You can pull on to 11 if you're feeling the short of energy in you. But minimum 7.